at the library.
Hi, I am looking for a library card.
Hello, you can get one here at the desk.
Great. What do I need to bring?
Just your ID and your address, please.
I have my ID here. Is that okay?
Yes, perfect. Please fill in this form.
Sure. Do I write my name here on this line?
Yes, and your address on the next line.
Okay, done. Here you go, Daniel.
Thank you, Maya. One moment, please.
Of course. Is there a fee for the card?
No, the card is completely free.
That is really good. Thank you.
Here is your library card, Maya.
Now I can borrow books. How does that work?
You pick a book, then bring it to this desk.
And how long can I keep the book?
The loan period is 3 weeks.
Loan period? What does that mean exactly?
It is the time you can keep the book before returning it.
3 weeks is a good loan period. Thank you.
You are welcome. Enjoy the library.
Excuse me, I found a book I want.
Great. Can I see your library card, please?
Yes, here it is. I just got it today.
Perfect. Let me scan the book for you.
Also, I looked for one more book upstairs.
Which book are you looking for?
It is called English for Beginners, a blue book.
Let me check. One moment.
I could not find it on the shelf.
I am sorry. That book is currently on loan.
On loan means someone else has it now.
That is right. Another person borrowed it.
Can I reserve it for when it comes back?
Yes, we call that placing a hold on the book.
Placing a hold. So I wait and you call me.
Yes, we send you a message when it is ready.
That is great. Please place a hold for me.
Done. We have your name and card number.
How long do I wait, do you think?
Maybe 1 or 2 weeks. It depends.
No problem. I can wait.
Good. Is there anything else I can help with?
Yes. Are there computers here for members?
Yes, 6 computers on the second floor.
Do I need to book a computer first?
No booking needed. You can just walk in.
Perfect. And is there a quiet reading area?
Yes, the reading room is very quiet upstairs.
Can I bring a drink in there?
Water in a closed bottle is fine, but no food.
Understood. That is a reasonable rule.
We also have free Wi-Fi for all members.
Oh, good. What is the Wi-Fi password?
The password is on this small card. Take it.
Thank you, Daniel. You are very helpful.
Happy to help. Come here anytime.
I will come back tomorrow for the computers.
We open at 9 in the morning.
Perfect. See you tomorrow then, Daniel.
See you, Maya. Enjoy your book.